You still get out of it. Get off of it. Get off of it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. That's it. Give me the whole piece. Not playing with these dogs when it comes to their training or their obedience. Believe me, he could have ate it all real quick. You're going to test the water. I'm going to give it an opportunity and see if am I going to be allowed to do this? Oh, hell, I guess not. They give you everything you want in a dog. Cane Corso, RJ Knight. Knight Kennels. Yeah. Come get your dog's head. Your Corsos, that is, or your Prussia Canaries. I'm sad that I don't have a litter of them going at the same time. I should have. That better be a nut you eating. Out of here. Out of here, deer crap.